Hello everyone, welcome back here again to my YouTube channel. What we're doing today is we have another kitchen ideas in here. So this is the kitchen where it's going to be. So it's pretty much like U shape. It's almost like U shape. So this is gonna be the plan that we have. So this is how it looks. So here's the kitchen that we have today. So now what we're doing here is we're gonna install the dishwasher and the faucet and the under lights, right? Okay, so this one goes. Okay. So now I'm just gonna tighten that. All right, so it's all tightened. Next one we're going to put it is this guy. And this one, this is the sleeve. That goes like that. Okay. It's a sleeve, right? Tighten, it should be good. And this one here, that's it. And this guy, this is the way. I'll put it right here where that sticker is. Good. So now we're gonna be doing the under sink fitting first. Right, so first I usually put the these two parts, right, so that way we would know how long, how far it goes apart. I mean how far all this fitting is supposed to be. So this is something else. That gasket belongs to here. So it's this one goes underneath. This one goes on top. Yeah. So this is it. Just like that. And then the other one too. Same thing, this one goes here. And this guy is gonna go. Yeah. Now to tighten this nut, if you don't have long nose it will work. If not, I'm just gonna use two screwdrivers. Okay, so I use this. Just to hold it. so I can tighten the bottom. Okay, now it's tight. Okay, that's good. So the two strainer is done, and now we're gonna go ahead with the bottom. We're gonna install this too. That goes like that. Oh wow. Try. Yes. That's good. So first we're gonna cut the hole for the dishwasher. For the dishwasher drain. So I'll put it right on top here. Okay, one. Then one inside here. So it's going to be behind this, okay, right on top. All right, we got that hole. So it's gonna go through here, going on top, right on that side. No. Right now it's on this side. No, wait. All right, now so I'm feeding all the houses, but in this situation right now, because it's too far from the sink, right? So I have to buy two of this one and joint them. Here it is, right? So I'm gonna joint them together. So this is what you need, because I need like 10 feet. They only have, the longest one is only like 6 feet of this ones. So what I did, I bought 5 feet and 4 feet. Right, so this one goes here. That's it. Alright, so let's tighten this one. That should be good. So even the drain hoses, I have extended. Alright, let's do this one first. Alright, so let's continue the under sink fit. So I gotta put this one first. That. Pretty good. Okay, let's go. Alright, so now I've got everything ready. Okay, so it's like that. Let's put it in the dishwasher. Line up. So now let's measure the onion. I'm not putting any pitch-up in here because there's already pitch-up downstairs. So I'm just gonna use this U-joint. And this one. Alright, this one is for the clean out system. Okay, so right now we're gonna feed the wire. Alright, so now we're doing the electrical. Alright, that's done. The electrical is done. Okay, now dispose. We're gonna feed it through. Now let's go here. Okay, right now we're ready. So we need this crimping tool. Okay, hold on first. So now, let's just like this. So this goes like that. Right. So like that. So this one. Okay. Ayan. Now, turn it off. Shut it off. Let's go see. Now, next one is this one. Just double check if everything glued. That looks good. Alright, so now we have a pump. Okay, we have a pump. Alright, we're done. Alright, so I turn it back on the water. So now let's test it. Alright, so it's all looks good. No leaks, nothing. Right. Okay, so now it's rinsing right now. Checking if there's any leaks. It's all good.